Have you ever imagined waking up every day knowing that you're making money while you sleep? It sounds like a dream, but the truth is that passive income can transform your financial life and give you the freedom to focus on what truly matters. If you're between 25 and 40 years old, tired of trading time for money, and want to build an income stream that works for you, this video will change the way you see your finances. The big problem is that many people don't know where to start, or think they need a lot of money to invest. But here I'll show you step by step how to create your own passive income even if you're starting with little. Stay until the end and discover how small actions today can lead to big results tomorrow. Many people are stuck in the traditional work cycle, trading hours for money, and depending exclusively on a single source of income. This mentality limits financial freedom and creates constant stress. Additionally, many fail to build passive income because they don't plan properly or give up before seeing results. For example, someone might start investing in stocks but quit after a few months without immediate profit. The emotional impact of this is huge. Frustration, lack of security, and the feeling of being trapped in a job that doesn't bring satisfaction. But imagine having an income stream that works for you while you sleep, travel, or enjoy moments with your family. Passive income offers exactly that: financial freedom and flexibility in your daily life. By creating multiple passive income streams, you can reduce your dependence on traditional work and gain more time to do what you love. Examples include receiving dividends from stocks, selling digital products online, or renting out properties. These strategies allow you to earn money automatically without continuous effort. One of the most accessible ways to get started is by investing in dividends. Companies like Petrobras, Itaú, or Coca-Cola distribute part of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. Buying shares of these companies can generate recurring income without requiring much effort beyond the initial purchase. This type of investment is safe and offers continuous growth, as long as you choose solid and consistent companies. Another powerful strategy is creating a digital product, such as an e-book or online course. Imagine writing a guide about something you're an expert in, like photography or personal finance, and automating sales through platforms like Hotmart or Monetize. The initial cost is low, and the scaling potential is enormous, allowing you to reach thousands of people without additional effort. Renting out properties or rooms is also an excellent option. If you already own a property, you can rent it out to generate consistent passive income. Otherwise, platforms like Airbnb allow you to rent a room or property for short periods, maximizing your earnings. Additionally, the value of the property tends to appreciate over time, creating a solid financial asset. Royalties are another fascinating way to create passive income. If you're a musician, writer, or content creator, you can license your work to platforms like Spotify, YouTube, or publishers. Every time someone plays your music or buys your book, you receive royalties automatically. It's an amazing way to turn your creativity into a continuous source of income. Unfortunately, there are still many myths and doubts that prevent people from getting started. One of the biggest misconceptions is that you need a lot of money to invest. In reality, you can start with small amounts and gradually increase them. Another myth is that passive income is easy money. In practice, it requires planning, patience, and consistency, but the results are worth it. To inspire you even more, I want to share real success stories. Joan, for example, started investing in dividends with just $500 per month and now lives comfortably off the returns. Maria created an online course about personal organization and now generates five-figure monthly passive income. These stories prove that anyone can achieve financial freedom with discipline and focus. If you want to start today, here's a practical guide. First, identify which strategy makes the most sense for you: investments, digital products, rentals, or royalties. Then create a simple action plan, like setting aside a fixed amount each month to invest or dedicating a few hours a week to develop your digital product. Start with small steps, but start. Remember, consistency is the key to success. Consistency is crucial on this journey. Small daily actions, like investing $50 a week or creating content for your YouTube channel, generate significant impacts over time. Motivate yourself to persist even when the results aren't immediate. Remember that every penny saved or invested today can turn into financial freedom in the future. Avoiding common pitfalls is also crucial. False promises, pyramid schemes, or investing without research are some of the main causes of financial problems. To avoid these pitfalls, adopt techniques like thoroughly researching before investing or consulting experts. These practices help maintain emotional control and ensure you stay aligned with your goals. There are several free tools and resources that can help you on this journey. Platforms like Google Sheets, investment apps, or digital marketplaces make the process much easier. Experiment with different tools until you find the one that works best for you. Finally, understand the impact of emotions on financial decisions. Often, we buy impulsively or invest without planning, driven by emotions like anxiety or euphoria. To avoid this, adopt a more rational approach. For example, before making an investment, carefully evaluate the risks and benefits. This simple technique can save you from bad decisions and help you stay focused on your goals. In summary, the secret to creating passive income lies in planning, diversifying, and being consistent. With dedication and patience, you can transform your financial reality and achieve the freedom you've always wanted. Remember, your future starts today, and it depends on the choices you make now. If this video helped you understand how to create passive income in a practical and accessible way, leave a like and share it with others who also want to improve their relationship with money. Subscribe to the channel for more content on personal finance and financial transformation. Remember, with these strategies, you'll have total control over your money. Start now.